How to send video from camera roll as a snap and not in chat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send video from camera roll as a snap and not in chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now under filters, you'll simply need to search for media upload. After you find media upload, you can select either one. I'll select this one right here. After you find the video that you want to send, simply tap on it and long press on it. Now, as you can see, it is recording. And after you're done, as you can see right here, the snap is ready. Now you can send it to anyone. Now, select the send and send it. Now, if you head to your friend's chat section, you will see that the story does blah blah blah. Now, if you head to your DMs, you will see that the snap I just sent, the video that I just sent, is sent as a snap and not as a chat. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.